Today I'm going through the EDEXCEL GCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Higher for November 2021. Today I'll be going through question 6. Question 6 reads as follows. The diagram shows a prism. There's an image of the prism. The cross-section of the prism is a right-angled triangle. The base of the triangle has a length 5 centimeters. The prism has a length 25 centimeters. The prism has a volume into 750 centimeters cubed. Work out the height of the prism. So, first of all, I need to find out what information I have. So the base of the triangle is 5 and the prism has the length of 25. That's already annotated onto the diagram. So I don't need to do anything. But I also have the volume. So I need to work out the height. So first of all, I need a variable for the height, and I'll label it, call it h for height. And I have the volume. So I need to do the equation for the volume of a prism, which is area of the cross section times by the depth. And I also need an area of a triangle, 0.5 times by base times by height. You might do a half of it, but I just wrote 0.5. Both of them do the same thing. And first of all, a cross-section is the right-angled triangle. So the area of the triangle / the cross-section of the prism is 0.5 times by 5 times by h. So that would be 5 times by h is just 5h, basic algebra. So times by 0.5 is 2.5h for the area of the cross-section. And I need to find the volume of the full prism. So that is 2.5h times by 25. And then that can simplify to 62.5h is the volume of the prism. Now I know the volume of the prism is 750. So I can do 62.5h is equal to 750. So I divide by 62.5 on both sides, which gives me 12 centimeters. That's the height of the prism. Like and subscribe for more GCSE Math past papers.